Today I'm going to Bangkok because I want to know what AI tools developers are using. Let's go. Changi is an amazing airport. I have to tell you that. Okay, this is my flight. It was a close call. Cool, I just reached Bangkok now. I'm gonna go to the immigration. Just cleared the immigration. At the immigration you can't actually take videos, so I had to stop my recording. The immigration process was like quite fast, to be honest. Only thing is, if you are a foreigner, you have to fill up a form when you arrive. It's an arrival form online. So once you do that, it's pretty straightforward. Singapore Airlines had free Wi-Fi, so it wasn't an issue. Now I'm gonna go and collect my baggage first, and then gonna head out to the hotel. I'm really keen to know what AI tools the developers in Thailand are using. Hopefully one or two people will tell that's Kiro, or maybe something that Amazon has built. Okay, I just want to show you this hotel. Last time I was here for a dinner for my wife's birthday. So I'm going to AWS Summit Bangkok today. There's going to be thousands of attendees and also a lot of folks from technical backgrounds, so developers. So I'm going to ask them what agentic AI or AI tools that they're using today. So let's see how it goes. Okay, quick question.
Yeah.
Which AI tools do you use for development and then other things related to development?
Yeah, today I use the Kiro.
Yeah.
I'm using Kiro and Cloud Code.
So what do you use like mostly for? Like, do you use for specs, to create specs?
Okay.
Yeah, what type of things do you use with do with those?
For right now, with Kiro, I use mainly I apply the AI DLC skill to develop the software.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
It's your time.
What?
Tell me, which AI tools do you use?
Kiro.
Because right now we are not just build a data platform for the reporting and dashboard. We also building a data platform for the AI also. because now they are the stakeholder or some like marketing sales team, they want to chat with the AI to get the data from the data platform, right? So I just show up how we can secure our whole pipeline. Yeah.
So which AI tools do you use for development, and what do you use it for?
Okay. Of course, I'm used the Kiro too, and mostly I use in the infrastructure as the Terraform.
We have Eunice here, who leads startup marketing for ASEAN. So Eunice, tell me, which AI tools do you use?
I use Amazon Quick, and I recently created a quiz for our attendees to interact with at a recent conference. So that was pretty cool, pretty engaging.
I use Kilo, and I use for my development in-house at my company. So basically, we demonstrate how the hero spec driven work. So this is a demo game. The attendee can select the game. So there are some game that like a Hero Invader, Hero Flappy Bird, and then he can play the game. But
cool.
and then he can request the feature change. For example, I want to change the colors, themes to be pastel. So here the agent's gonna simulate the real world situation where the business user gonna take the business intent and then provide a business justification, and after that the business user gonna send the request to the team to review, and if the team agree to proceed, it's gonna hand over the work to product managers to create a user story, and the user story gonna be hand over to architects to perform the design. And once the design complete, it's gonna hand over the design to the engineer to break down the task and implement the code. So basically, we kind of animate the spec-driven development here as a game studio animation here. And once the code has been done, it's gonna auto refresh here.
I've been asking around from a lot of people who've been coming here. They seems to be using Hero mostly for their development, and also some of the folks said they are using Cloud Code as well, but majority is using Hero.
I think Kiro is very smart for the checking like AWS service as the infrastructure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm using Cloud Code normally because I started using it and I'm quite happy with it in the past.
For the development purpose, I'm gonna use the Cloud Code, but for other purposes, I use different tools. For example, I maybe round robin on all of those for the Gemini and ChatGPT.
This demo of the AI visualization. So nowadays, the AI and everybody run AI, and it's just like the black box. So everybody know it's the AI, but don't know exactly what it is. So we turn the black box into the glass box while visualize them, actually connect to the tracing log. Because if you don't have this one, it's kind of you have to read the logs, all the text, and nobody know exactly what it is. We use the vibe coding tool for sure, just like we run Strand agents. Yeah, this is our Strand. And the love thing is for the Strand SDK is that it allows you to connect to other models, just like GPT, blah blah blah. You can change because it's open source and it's quite very easy.
Obviously, my only choice is Kiro, and due to the spec-driven development, it makes my product development very easy.
So I spent a lot of time talking to developers about what type of tools that they've been using and then why they're using, for which function they're using. So I'm hopefully will be able to showcase all of that in this vlog. So if you have any tools that you are using for agentic AI development, let me know in the comment section. So today I'm gonna go out with a bunch of speakers that we had and the staff, to a nicer place for a meal. So that's pretty much it. And signing off for today. Let's catch up in another episode where I'll be traveling to another country to understand what developers are doing or what developers are using to build stuff using AI. So until then, stay tuned. Cheers.